let's say you were presented with some continuous data and you wanted to see what those data were distributed like. You wanted to create a histogram for that data. It's really easy to do in Excel. We can just highlight our data. Now we want to insert a histogram, so just go into Insert. And then we need to find what kind of chart we want Excel to produce. And we know that it's some kind of bar chart. Histogram is a special kind of bar chart. So click on that, and there is histogram. All right, so that's the default for histogram in Excel. It picks 10 equally spaced bins. And the default is usually pretty good, but if we want to change the bin widths or the number of bins that we use, you can do that quite easily. Just right-click on the axis that you want to change. Here it's the x-axis because that's the bins. So right-click on that, click Format Axis, and then we get some options. So we don't want the automatics anymore. We can just manually set our bin width. Or what's probably easier is to just tell it how many bins you want. So if you think 10 is too many, you could make it 5. All right. Or maybe we could go from 20 to 30 instead and have a whole bunch of mini, small width bins. And that's probably too many. Maybe 15 might be a good compromise. I encourage you to play around with those options. All right? Just as easy as that. Thanks for listening.